our CarBone phone pocket with a wireless charger is a great upgrade for every classic car. It is designed for Porsche 911 models ranging from G models with electric windows up to and including 993 generation. For earlier models like F model and G model without power windows, you will need additional wires that can be plugged into an existing car's wire harness. You can also adapt the door pocket and the charger in any other classic cars. The charger's shape is designed to accommodate easily in Porsche's door, and it will be necessary to find the proper space in other cars' doors. We will show you how to install it in a classic Porsche 911. This is a G model, but trust me, the installation is super easy and you can do it yourself. Prepare some tools to dismantle the door card. Drill some holes. Clean some areas to put the converter. The set contains a pocket with a charger, a converter, and a scheme of the cut area. If you need the additional wires or you're not sure how to install it in your car, go to our product page. We'll help you with that. Disconnect the battery. Dismantle the door card. I have our CarBone R door cards installed, but stock ones need pretty much the same actions. Unscrew door window seal bolts. Disconnect the mirror switch and remove the seal. Unscrew lower door card bolts. Take off window switches. Pro tip: take pics of wire colors to avoid problems with connecting them again. Miss that point if you use our R door cards. There's a scheme on the back side. Disconnect the pins and remove the door card. Find the right place to install the converter. Make sure there's enough space when you open the window. Clean the area and put the converter using the double-sided tape. Connect the connectors to the power window switch. Red is plus, brown is for ground. If you're not sure how to connect the converter, ask us. Connect the pocket, connect the battery. Make sure windows work properly and the wireless charger charges the phone. Put the door card on a table and find the right place to install the pocket. Notice the pocket contains a charger on the back side and needs some free space in the door card. Go to the car and check the door area to make sure you have enough space to install the pocket. Use the scheme sheet added to the package. We recommend using our R door cards. They have the pocket spots to make your life easier. Drill holes in the door card. Install the pocket, install the door card. Enjoy your new charger.